kitchen, living room, bedroom, bathroom, toilet, nursery, dining room, porch, garden, garage, farmhouse, castle, tent, igloo, lighthouse, cottage, apartment, bungalow, hotel, barn, nursing home, camper van, hut, grandfather, grandmother, father, mother, brother, sister, uncle, aunt, cousin, son, daughter, nephew, niece, barber, builder, doctor, electrician, farmer, magician, nurse, painter, photographer, pilot, police officer, postman, potter, professor, singer, soldier, tailor, waiter, washerman. Rise early morning, brushing teeth, meditate daily, take a bath, praying, eating properly, going to school, playing, maintaining cleanliness, hand wash, read daily, help others, sleeping on time, Makar Sankranti, Mahashivratri, Holy, Vaisakhi, Buddha Jayanti, Ratha Yatra, Durga Puja, Guru Nanak Jayanti, Ganesh Chaturthi, Janmashtami, Raksha Bandhan, Diwali, Dussehra, Eid, Independence Day, Onam, Republic Day, Christmas, accordion, bagpipes, bassoon, clarinet, drum, flute, French horn, guitar, harmonica, harp, manjira, mridangam, piano, saxophone, tabla, tambourine, trombone, trumpet, tuba, violin, xylophone, brooms, brush, buckets, bowls, cleaning cloths, cleaning gloves, dustbin, dustpan, brush sets, feather dusters, mop, vacuum cleaner, washing machine, wiper, arm guard, bail, bat, gloves, boundary rope, cap, chest guard, elbow guard, helmet, leg pad, mouth guard, shoes, sight screen, stump, thigh guard, bench press, bench, dumbbell, elliptical trainer, jump rope, kettlebell, leg extension, leg press machine, pull down, punching bag, stability ball, stationary bicycle, treadmill, weight plates.